To restore a Phantom wallet and create a new wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed in your browser. If not, download and install it from the official website. Next, launch the Phantom Wallet extension and click on the Restore Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is a list of words that you should have saved when you first created your Phantom wallet. Enter the words in the correct order, separated by spaces. After entering your secret recovery phrase, create a new password for your wallet. This password will be used to lock and unlock your wallet, so make sure it is strong and unique. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Once you have entered your secret recovery phrase and created a new password, click on the Restore Wallet button. Phantom Wallet will then restore your wallet using the secret recovery phrase. This may take a few seconds. After your wallet has been restored, you will be prompted to create a new wallet name. Choose a name that is easy to remember, as this will be the name of your wallet in the Phantom Wallet interface. Finally, review the terms of service and click on the Create Wallet button to complete the restoration process. Your Phantom wallet has now been restored and a new wallet has been created. You can now use your restored wallet to send and receive cryptocurrency, as well as interact with various blockchain applications. It is essential to keep your secret recovery phrase safe, as it can be used to restore your wallet on any device. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, and make sure to store it in a secure location. By following these steps, you can easily restore your Phantom wallet and create a new wallet, giving you full access to your cryptocurrency and blockchain applications.